Hi, I'm Lara from Fergus. 5 things shipped in June that I want to walk you through. A couple of them are going to change how you quote and how you handle reconciliation, so let's go. First, bulk margin adjustment. If you've ever built a quote and then realized your margins are off across a whole section, you know how painful it is to fix that line by line. That's gone now. You can select a section of your quote or invoice and increase or decrease the margin across all the line items in one go. Select, set, done. Second, units of measurement on quotes and invoices. You can now add units like meters squared, kilograms, bags, liters, whatever your trade uses, directly to your line items. This makes your quotes a lot cleaner for customers and a lot more accurate for you. There's also a built-in quantity calculator that saves your measurements. Important note, this one is rolling out gradually, so keep your eyes peeled. It'll appear in your account soon if it hasn't already. Third, for anyone using Fergus Pay with Xero, reconciling just got a lot simpler. Payments, fees, and payouts now sync through a dedicated Xero clearing account. What that means in practice, reconciling against your bank deposit goes from a manual multi-step process to one click. If you've been using Fergus Pay and finding the Xero reconciliation a bit fiddly, this is the fix. Fourth, customer chargeout override. You can now set chargeout rates per customer that override your employee rates, either when higher, when lower, or always. Time entries will show a notice explaining which rate is being applied so there's no confusion. More precise control without touching your underlying pay structure. And the final one I'm talking about is on Fergus Go, time entries now work offline. If you're on a job with no signal, you can still create and edit time entries. They'll sync automatically when you're back online. For field staff working in areas with patchy connection, this has been a long time coming. That's the 5 I've chosen to talk about in June, but there are so many more, so please check out the release notes. I'll leave the link in the description below. Not on Fergus yet? The free trial link is also in the description, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next month's roundups.